Our homes are our sanctuaries, the places where we retreat from the world and find peace. They should be places of comfort, safety, and joy for everyone, regardless of age or ability. Accessibility is about making our homes welcoming to people of all abilities, ensuring that everyone can navigate and enjoy their living spaces. It's about creating spaces where everyone feels comfortable and independent, where daily tasks are manageable and stress-free. Small changes can make a big difference. Simple adjustments can transform a home into a more inclusive environment. Imagine a home with wide doorways and ramps instead of stairs, allowing easy access for wheelchairs and strollers. Think about grab bars in the bathroom and lever handles on doors. These features provide extra support and ease of use for everyone. These modifications make a world of difference, enhancing the quality of life for all residents. They allow people to move freely and live with dignity, fostering a sense of independence and self-reliance. Accessibility is not just about people with disabilities. It benefits everyone, creating a more functional and user-friendly home. Parents with strollers, older adults, and even delivery people can benefit from accessible features, making daily life smoother and more convenient. When we design with accessibility in mind, we create homes that are truly for everyone, promoting inclusivity and equality. Let's explore some practical ways to make our homes more welcoming. From installing ramps and grab bars to choosing lever handles and wider doorways, there are many steps we can take. By working together as a community, we can share ideas and resources to make these changes more affordable and widespread. Imagine families enjoying their homes without barriers, where everyone can participate in daily activities without limitations. The future of home design is inclusive, ensuring that every home is a welcoming space for all. Let's embrace this vision and make it a reality. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home. It's a place where memories are made and traditions are passed down through generations. It's where we cook, eat, and connect with loved ones. Whether it's a family dinner or a holiday feast, the kitchen brings people together. Making the kitchen accessible is crucial for creating a functional and enjoyable space for everyone. Accessibility ensures that everyone, regardless of their physical abilities, can participate in the joy of cooking and dining. Lowering countertops can make food preparation easier for people in wheelchairs. This simple change can transform the cooking experience, making it more inclusive and enjoyable. Installing a pull-out shelf system can make reaching items in upper cabinets effortless. These shelves bring items within easy reach, reducing the need for stretching or climbing. Consider a side swing oven door for easier access. This design allows for safer and more convenient use, especially for those with limited mobility. These adaptations make a big difference. They not only improve usability, but also enhance the overall cooking experience. Think about the placement of appliances. Strategically placing them can make the kitchen more efficient and easier to navigate. Ensure there is enough space for a wheelchair to maneuver comfortably. A spacious layout can prevent accidents and make the kitchen more welcoming. Choose appliances with easy-to-use controls, such as large buttons and clear labels. These features can make a significant difference in usability for everyone. A well-designed kitchen can empower everyone to participate in cooking and enjoy mealtimes together. By making thoughtful adaptations, we can create a space that is truly the heart of the home for all. The bathroom is a space where privacy and safety are paramount. It's a place where we start and end our day, and ensuring it is accessible can make a significant difference in the quality of life for everyone, especially those with mobility challenges. Making it accessible is essential for ensuring everyone's comfort and independence. An accessible bathroom design can help individuals maintain their dignity and autonomy, allowing them to perform daily routines with ease and confidence. Installing grab bars near the toilet and in the shower provides stability and prevents falls. These bars offer crucial support for those who may struggle with balance, giving them a secure point to hold on to. Consider a walk-in shower with a built-in seat for easy access. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who find it difficult to step over the edge of a traditional bathtub, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Choose a handheld shower head for added convenience. A handheld shower head allows for greater flexibility and control, making it easier to wash hard-to-reach areas and providing a more comfortable showering experience. These modifications provide peace of mind. Knowing that the bathroom is equipped with safety features can alleviate anxiety for both the user and their loved ones, ensuring a safer environment. A raised toilet seat can make it easier for people with limited mobility to use the bathroom independently. This simple addition can significantly reduce the strain on the knees and hips, making sitting down and standing up much easier. Non-slip mats in the shower and on the floor prevent accidents. These mats provide a stable surface, reducing the likelihood of slips and falls, which are common in wet and slippery environments. Remember, safety and comfort are key in creating an accessible and enjoyable bathroom experience. By incorporating these thoughtful modifications, you can transform your bathroom into a space that is not only functional, but also welcoming and safe for everyone. Hallways and entrances are the pathways that connect different areas of our homes. Ensuring they are clear and accessible is crucial for easy navigation. Wide doorways and hallways allow for smooth passage for wheelchairs and walkers. Remove any clutter or obstacles that could impede movement. Adequate lighting is essential for safety, especially at night. Consider installing ramps instead of stairs for easier access. If space is limited, a stair lift can be a practical solution. By creating clear and unobstructed pathways, we ensure that everyone can move around their homes with ease and confidence. Section 5. Simple solutions for everyday living. Beyond specific areas like the kitchen and bathroom, there are simple solutions we can implement throughout our homes to enhance accessibility. Ensure that light switches and electrical outlets are at a reachable height. Use lever handles instead of doorknobs for easier grip. Secure rugs and carpets to prevent tripping hazards. Consider using contrasting colors for door frames and walls to improve visibility. Label important items such as light switches and appliance controls with large, clear lettering. These small but thoughtful touches can make a world of difference in everyday life. Section 6. The power of light and color. Light and color play a crucial role in creating an accessible and welcoming home. Adequate lighting is essential for safety and visibility. Use a combination of natural and artificial light to brighten up spaces. Install task lighting in areas where focused illumination is needed, such as kitchens and reading nooks. Choose light bulbs with a warm, inviting glow. Color contrast can help people with visual impairments navigate their surroundings more easily. Use contrasting colors for door frames, walls, and furniture. Avoid using busy patterns or overly bright colors, as they can be overwhelming. Section 7. Technology as an accessibility ally. In today's digital age, technology offers a wide range of solutions for enhancing accessibility in our homes. Voice-activated assistants such as smart speakers allow people to control lights, appliances, and other devices with their voice. Smart home systems can automate tasks such as adjusting thermostats and locking doors, making them more accessible to everyone. Assistive technology devices such as screen readers and alternative keyboards can help people with disabilities access computers and other electronic devices. By embracing technology, we can create homes that are more accessible and empowering for everyone. Section 8. Creating a welcoming environment for all. Accessibility is not just about physical modifications. It's also about creating a welcoming and inclusive environment for everyone. Communication is key. Be mindful of people's needs and preferences. Ask how you can best assist them. Be patient and understanding. Create a space where everyone feels comfortable and respected. Encourage open dialogue and celebrate diversity. Remember, a welcoming home is a reflection of a kind and compassionate heart. Section 9. The ripple effect of accessibility. The benefits of accessibility extend far beyond the individuals who directly benefit from them. When we create accessible homes, we create communities that are more inclusive and equitable. We foster a sense of belonging and empower everyone to participate fully in society. Accessible homes also benefit families and caregivers. They reduce the burden of care and promote independence. By investing in accessibility, we create a more compassionate and supportive society for all. Section 10. Real stories, real impact. Countless stories illustrate the transformative power of accessibility. A young woman in a wheelchair who can finally pursue her passion for cooking in her newly adapted kitchen. An older adult who regains their independence thanks to grab bars and a walk-in shower. These stories remind us that accessibility is not just about ticking boxes or meeting regulations. It's about improving lives and creating opportunities for everyone to thrive. By sharing these stories, we inspire others to embrace inclusivity. Section 11. Embracing inclusivity, a home for every heart. Our homes should be reflections of our values. By embracing accessibility, we create homes that are not only functional, but also compassionate and welcoming. Let's challenge ourselves to see beyond our own perspectives and consider the needs of others. Let's create spaces where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered. Remember, accessibility is not a destination, but an ongoing journey. Every step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to creating a world where everyone can truly feel at home.